In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select any of those themes. Tap on a perfect one for you and manage key borders thanks to this switcher. Then hit apply at the bottom right corner and wait. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, tap on the same icon and this time use this +1 under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Like for example this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!